Welcome to Durga Durairajan channel. So today we are going to see how to do a tasty and yummy egg biryani. Come on. Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. I am your Durga Durairajan and today we are going to see how to do a tasty and yummy egg biryani. Come on, let's do it. Yay! So these are the ingredients. So without doing that style and this style, we have did our own style. The thing which you see in the first one is the biryani masala called Durga's Biryani Masala. So the ingredients are written and then you can note the measurements also. Now in a pan we add dried red chilies 4 and then 2 inches of cinnamon and 4 cloves in it and 4 cardamom and 1 jadi badri full and then 1 star anise and we add nutmeg. This is how full nutmeg looks, but we don't want that much. We just need just a quarter piece of it, and then we add pepper half teaspoon, and then we add fennel 1 teaspoon, and we add dhania 2 teaspoon, and we add jeera or cumin 1 teaspoon in it. So now let's mix it well. So after stirring it well, we are going to grind it. So the smell will be very nice and very awesome. So that you have to try with these ingredients, which is Durga's Biryani Masala. So now let's stir it well and then we are gonna grind it. See, we have grinded it. So now in a pan we add 2 teaspoon of oil in it and then we add 2 teaspoon of ghee in it. See, it's very adamant and it's not coming itself. See, and then now we add 1 bay leaves and then we add a few kalpasi and then we add chopped onions in it and then we saute it well. So after sauteing we add salt which is required for our onion. We have added 2 teaspoon and then let's again saute it well. So we are sauteing it now. So and then we add ginger garlic paste in it. If you want to see the measurements, we have given it in the front itself. You can check it. And then now we are sauteing it and then we add green chilies in it and then we add coriander leaves in it and then let's saute it well. So after sauteing we add mint leaves in it. Now we are adding mint leaves and then we add tomatoes in it and then let's saute it well. So if you see, this is very colorful, which such as red, green, white. This is looking very colorful. Now we add freshly prepared Durga's Biryani Masala in it. Wow, the smell is very nice. Now we add turmeric powder and then we add curd in it. And then we add half lemon juice, half lemon's juice. And then now let's saute it well. So the citric acid goes in and it tastes very well. So the biryani masala is giving a great smell. So try it. And then we are sauteing it. So after sauteing, now we add half an hour soaked and filtered rice in it. And then let's again stir it well. So after stirring we add water in it. We have added 3 glasses of water or 200 into 3, which is this. So now let's cook it for one whistle. Wow, we are ready with it. And then now we have to cook the egg, and then if we add it in the biryani, we are ready with it. Yay! Bam! So finally we are up with a tasty and yummy egg biryani. Come on, let's taste it. But before tasting it, you will be noticing something, that there is only biryani, but where is the egg? So I will tell one thing. I ate the egg and then it got even digested also. So don't search anywhere. So to tell you that I am tasting egg biryani only, I have did a thing for you. See, what is this? Yeah, what is this? Biryani. So egg plus biryani is equal to egg biryani. So we're gonna taste it. Mmm, that's so yummy. You have to try it, friends. And then I know that some people will be like this. That some people will do. I'm so hungry. I want to eat biryani, but what to do? The stores are closed, and then even it's a lockdown, so we have to stay home and stay safe. So, if you are trying this recipe, you can easily have fun eating this biryani in your home itself. So, while going into a picnic of biryani types, we have uploaded video chicken biryani, guska, and then prawn biryani. So you also try it and have fun eating it. It's in that description. Sorry, that's a link is in the description. Okay, let me eat. If you also want to eat it, try this recipe. And before going to the end, thanks for watching. And then I know that you want to subscribe to our channel. If you read, there is our channel's logo. Press it and subscribe to our channel very easily. And then 2 more videos are waiting for you. Watch it and have fun.